Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Overnight, the US stock and bond markets were closed on account of President's Day, so we thought we'd update you on where the markets stand year to date. Year to date, the Nasdaq is the best performer of the three major indexes, up 13.5%. This is then followed by the S&P 500, up 6.7%. The Dow is the worst performer, however, is still up 2.1% year to date. Yet, despite a strong start to markets in 2023, an EY report on global IPO trends report found that IPOs fell 78% in 2022 after a record-breaking year in 2021, with 90 offerings last year compared to 416 in 2021. The collapse of SPACs, or special purpose acquisition vehicles, contributed to the fall in IPOs, with SPAC IPOs in the US decreasing 86% in 2022, according to EY. Of course, overall economic sentiment and volatility had a major impact on IPOs last year. It appears that going private is now an emerging trend, with a growing number of newly public companies racing back to private ownership after discovering that an IPO isn't always all it's cracked up to be. Of the hundreds of companies that went public in the boom years of 2020 and 2021, 10 have already agreed to sell themselves to private equity firms, according to Dealogic. We've actually seen this trend on the ASX and in the buy now, pay later sector, with the likes of Laybuy and Zebit delisting, frustrated by how the market has valued them. In company news, Mark Zuckerberg, the Meta CEO, has introduced a subscription service for Instagram and Facebook that will allow users to purchase blue badges that mark them as verified. Known as Meta Verified, the service will launch in Australia and New Zealand this week and hit other countries soon. Similar to Twitter Blue, Meta Verified eschews the traditional concept of blue checkmark as a gift bestowed to notable people like politicians and celebrities. Now it's open to anyone who's willing to pay. And natural gas has fallen to a 3-year low. It fell 8.7% last week, falling to a 3-year low on Friday morning. It is currently trading at its lowest level since late September of 2020. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.4% fall. Thank you for listening.